Grab your free guide to becoming the apex. Strategies on how to grow on YouTube today. Link in the description. How's it going, everybody? It's CHRISTIANL here with Eat Like an Apex. This morning we are here in Stockton, California, MANTECA, California, and we're checking out a place called Oasis Market. Oasis Market is a spot that sells hot foods, burgers, burritos, fries, deli sandwiches, a number of different things, variety of different things, and they cater to this community here. Passerbyers, a popular spot to grab and go, and we're checking out this place this morning. With that said, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hope you find time to subscribe. I greatly appreciate that, and we're showing you everything in this video right now. All right. Hey, good to see you.
Want to accent? Good to see you too.
Hey guys, we are here at Oasis Market.
Hello.
Checking out, this is the owner, Mel. And tell us about Oasis Market, tell us about it.
This was a produce store first. We had it for like 27 years.
Okay.
My brother, my father came and got it. They were the first ones.
Oh, right on.
And around like 11 years ago, then they expanded and they made it into like a taqueria and a bigger store.
Nice,
so yeah,
nice.
so ever since we launched and everything, you know, everything has been booming and blasting.
Nice. And they have a variety of foods here, like
of course,
from like fried foods to everything.
Deep fried, from taqueria. We have good girls. We make salsas. We make the beans. Everything fresh to go.
Okay, well, excited to try the food here at Oasis Market today. Let's do this.
No doubt.
Ahorita te ayudamos ahí, mira.
So they are here prepping in the kitchen, preparing the food. Customers just continue to come in, and yeah, it definitely is a popular spot to get something to go. That food is made to order, and I love the atmosphere here.
Like in general.
Which one?
Very, very hot on the cheesecake.
Okay.
Careful. Thank you so much, guys.
Oh.
Thank you. And come back if you guys need anything else, like any ice or anything.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna go take this.
Thank you.
Right back.
So nice to meet
Thank you
you.
so much.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Alright guys, we just got the food from Oasis, and you can see there just the variety of things going on there. We are outdoors because there's no indoor seating at the moment. They are, he did tell me they are building a few things, but right now we're taking the food outdoors, taking it to the van, eating outside of the van on our little table. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Oh, okay, this is the one I kind of requested. Want to let you guys know that they do have like Mexican food, they got burgers, they got burritos, they have deli sandwiches, fries, salads, all kinds of things. But this is the bacon cheeseburger. I'm gonna open it up right now. Here's the bacon cheeseburger. You can see that cross section. Okay, yeah, you got that patty, that meat patty, the cheese, the bacon, the red onions, tomatoes, pickles, lettuce, and that sesame seeded bun. And I've seen them make the food. The ladies, the chefs who are preparing the food, just doing a great job at not only like preparing this food, but the multiple of people coming in. There's so many people coming in there. This place remains busy. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take a bite right now. Here goes. That bacon cheeseburger, first bite here at the Oasis.
Look at that drippage.
All right, and bite. Oh wow, yeah, that's a good burger. Wow, you certainly still taste that freshness and that quality in this burger. Another bite. That's a good bacon burger. That texture from the lettuce, that like slight spice from the onions, the refreshing tomato, that meat patty and the cheese, and the bacon. The whole combination consistency is fantastic. Wow. Now this is how a bacon cheeseburger should be made. Just simple ingredients, but packed full of flavor, and oh so delicious. Wow, that's good. I'm gonna chase that with a fry, 2 fries. Okay, here we go. That's good too. A little bit soggy, probably been sitting out, but I'm sure they serve fresh baskets of fries. Yeah, still goes great with the burger. Next, it's like pick and choose which one. Let's do this one right here. I think Shauna asked for this one. Taco salad with the camarones, the shrimp, sour cream, that tostada shell, some Spanish rice, tomatoes, guacamole, avocado, mozzarella cheese, beans. Yeah, just a fully loaded tostada. I really haven't had a tostada in a long time. Because there's this open end here, I'll like break off a piece. All right. So I got a piece there. And then we grab a shrimp, sour cream. Just kind of load it up. And then, oh, I dropped the shrimp. All right. Is that gonna stay? Good? Take a look at that tostada. All right, here we go. Ready to try this bite here. And bite. Oh, wow. You know what? I didn't even add any like lime, but it tastes very citrusy. You got that guacamole, creamy, texture from that bouncy and muscular shrimp, that cheese, but what sticks out, what I love the best about the tostadas is that crispy shell, man. That crispy shell is what makes the tostada. I didn't even try to rice it, so I'm gonna try some of that Spanish rice because I'm a big fan of Spanish rice. What I'll do is I'll have this just as, without the crunch, just kind of go with that. Rice, okay, rice and shrimp. Oh yeah, that's good too, wow. Fantastic. I don't know what this is. This is like a present. It's like, you're like, I don't know which is which until you open them up. Let's open this one up. Oh, wedges. I don't even remember ordering wedges. But Mel, thank you, Mel, for just hooking it up with all this wonderful food. Let's try wedge. All right, and bite. Oh man, that's good, but I have to chase it with some hot sauce. Hot sauce? And I do the slurping method, so this will be my own cup of hot sauce. And slurp. Ooh, that's hot. All right, wedge is done. Oh, check that out. The Carnitas Tacos with some lime. Big fan of the Carnitas. I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze some of that lime on here. And then what I'll do next is I'll have some of this hot sauce and actually do a pour. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, comes with the 2 tortilla shells, street tacos, and fully loaded with those carnitas, man. Wow. Oh yeah, this looks delicious. And bite. That's impressive, wow. The strandy and delicate carnitas, that citrus from the lime, and that spicy hot sauce. Like an excellent street taco. I love that shredded pork. Okay.
Christmas time.
Yeah, Christmas time. What is this present here? All right, Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness, wow. I think you did pour me have some ranch with this, some fried treats. Yeah, the taquito, you have the chicken strips, and then you have the fried chicken. So, oh man, this is just fried goodness here. I guess I'll go ahead and try a piece of the chicken strip first. Break that. Oh yeah, chicken strips. I'm telling you, they have like everything here. Everything. I'm gonna dip that into that ranch and dip. Okay, here we go. And bite. I'll be honest with you, I'm not a big fan of buttermilk, so this is buttermilky-ish, so I'm gonna put this away. All right, but I am a big fan of hot sauce, and that will remain my sauce component. So let me try this now. This is the taquito. I don't know what's inside of it. You know? I don't know. Okay, dip it. All right, here we go. And bite. Chicken, cheese, some chiles, and just an overall delicious taquito. Large too. Let's move on to the next fried thing here. Check that chicken out, man. That is like fried, and oh, you know that's gonna be tender on the inside, and nice and crispy on the outside, but full of flavor. And bite. You can't go wrong with fried chicken wings, man. Seriously. That's crispy, that's tender, like seasoned to perfection. Not overwhelmingly salty. Yeah, fried chicken. Alrighty.
Again, let me see.
The next one we have here, almost through this like marathon of Oasis food. It's the burrito, and I think it's the asada. I'll bite and then chase it with the hot sauce. Here we go, and bite. Oh wow. Chase it with hot sauce. Oh, that just like disintegrates in your mouth. That meat's so juicy, tender. There's rice, a little bit of beans. I taste like citrusy, like spicy flavor. I think they added some of this hot sauce into this burrito. I did ask them for hot, and so they added it into this burrito. Yeah. Again, impressed by the amount of people coming here to get food, but still making quality and delicious food for the masses, man. Oh wow, I think he gave us a bunch of them. I haven't had strawberry cheesecake in a while. Fried strawberry cheesecake. Matter of fact, I don't think it's strawberry, I think it's raspberry. I believe it's like raspberry, fried raspberry cheesecake.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Raspberry cheesecake wrapped up in that fried tortilla. Yeah, that's excellent. That's a genius move right there. Sweet, creamy, crunchy. Oh man, what more can you ask for?
That's unique. I've never tasted anything like that.
To end this meal here, I had to get one of these coconut drinks, so let's sip. Oh yeah, that's refreshing.
That cheesecake.
Was
Okay.
it good? Isn't it good?
Yeah.
I mean, that right there, it's like a delicious dessert right afterwards.
Yeah. Guys, we just got done finished here at Oasis. Took it outside of the parking lot. Did you see our table out there?
I did,
You
I did.
Okay.
I loved it.
You see why, like, there's so many people coming this way. The food is made to order. Big thanks to Mel and the team here.
Yes, I do have a great team with good energy.
Yeah,
I'm so
yeah.
blessed.
Anywhere to find you guys? Instagram or social media?
You know
or
what? At
just-
the moment, we don't have anything because with all the stuff that went down. But we did have a Facebook, but we haven't got it open again.
Yeah.
But we will after like a month or so.
For sure.
And then hopefully that will take new deliveries.
Okay.
And then we're gonna have it open after that for the nighttime, 7 a.m.
Nice.
to 3 a.m.
Nice.
So things are gonna happen
So
outside.
good things coming this way.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Big
Thank
thanks.
you. Thank you guys.
Doing
And
your
you guys
thing
are
here.
awesome.
All right.
You know?
A place to get something on the move, on the go, and not sacrificing any quality from the food. So big ups to Mel and the team here. Thank you again for their hospitality and the treat. With that said, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Talk to you later.
Bye.